sparkling friends! Happy New Year 2026! The calendar's flipped, the sky's lit, and we're ready for new adventures. May your year be bright, your hopes high, and your cocoa still hot.
What if 2020 disappeared? Where did 2020 go?
Kid, the year has been erased from the timeline. If we don't restore it, time skips straight to 2021.
Can we bring it back?
Maybe.
If we return the...
What if 1740 disappeared? Where did 1740 go? Kid, the year has been erased from the timeline. If we don't restore it, history jumps straight to 1741. Can we bring it back? Maybe. What if October 1824 disappeared?
Where did October 1824 go?
The month has been erased from the timeline. If the last grain falls, history will skip from September. What if 250 BC disappeared? Where did 250
The year
BC
has been
go?
erased from the timeline. If we don't restore it, history will skip from 251 BC.
What if 1849 disappeared? Where did 1849
The
go?
year has been erased from the timeline. If we don't restore it, history jumps straight to 1850.
Can we bring it
Only
back?
by returning the moments.
What if the 15th century disappeared? Where did the 15th century go?
The century has been erased from the timeline. Unless its memories return, history jumps from 1400.
What if 150,000 BC disappeared? Where did 150,000 BC go? Only by returning the moments that forged it. Then what if 2021 disappeared? Oh no! I'm in the rock concert? Oh, some. What if 2010 disappeared?
Oh no! I'm in the rock concert!
Oh, some. What if 2027 disappeared? Oh no! I'm in the rock concert? Oh, some. Wat als Oud en Nieuw 2026 zou verdwijnen? Oh nee! Is Oud en Nieuw 2026 gewoon verdwenen? Ach, Oomsum. What if you count up to 6, 7 on New Year's Eve? 6? 7? Wait, we're supposed to hit midnight, right? Oh, some. Ами, ако новата 2026 година изчезне... О, не! Да не би нова година 2026 да се изпари! О, амсъм. Tänk om New Year 2026 försvann? Oh nej! Försvann New Year 2026 precis? Oh, some. What if New Year's 2026 disappeared?
Oh no! Did New Year's 2026 just vanish?
Oh, some. What if the power went out on New Year's Eve? No power? How will we count down? Oh, some.